Hi Soumya, welcome to telechecker.com. So how's it joining the gang of Entertainment Ki Raat?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun because I did see the first season. It was really nice. And what's really special in this season is that I'm back as a host. I'm coming back to hosting after 3 years, and I was actually yearning to get back to stage and to get the feeling of being live and spontaneous. So I'm quite excited. And I have hosted dance reality shows, and I've hosted cookery and adventure and quiz shows, but I have never hosted a kind of a show which is a comedy show where I'm interviewing a celebrity. So I need to have a connect with as a like a chat show host, and also get the funny bits and the real bits out of my celebrities, and in between sometimes my leg is also getting pulled. So I'm totally and thoroughly having a blast.
So can we rightly say that hosting is your first love?
Not really. It actually depends on what project it is. I love acting as well. I love acting as well. But depends if this particular project I really was kicked about to get back to hosting, because this is a chat format which I hadn't done.
So had you followed the first season of Entertainment Ki Raat?
Not completely, but I did see a couple of episodes and I thought it was really nice. Of course, it was received so well.
How much are you open to the leg pulling?
Totally, and I also know how to give it back.
These days, there has been two kind of comedy. There's clean comedy and there is below belt comedy. Okay, so what do you think about both the kind of a comedy? And are you fine? Sometime enjoying that part also.
See, I don't think that. If any kind of comedy is really hurting somebody's sentiments, is something that I'm personally not very comfortable with. But I have nothing against it. If people are comfortable with it, it's fine. But I personally, there's even when you're pulling someone's leg, it can be done very cutely. So I personally, as a personality, I don't believe in making anybody feel really bad about themselves. But that's my opinion.
How are you going to balance with both the shows, Bhabhi Ji and now this Entertainment Ki Raat?
I don't know. I mean, God has to give me some divine power to be able to smile and go through this, and to, of course, I'm hoping that I will get the love that I have received from my viewers. Yeah.
So what has been, why explore only comedy genre? In the sense, of late we have been seeing you doing more of comedy shows.
Well, it's just been so happening that I'm getting good projects in comedy, and I personally do like comedy genre a lot. But it's not that I'm not open to the other genres. I don't like Saas Bahu Sagas. So I don't see myself there.
And also your take on reality shows, I mean participating in reality shows, the kind of shows that interest you.
See, you're not going to ever see me in Bigg Boss, for sure. You can record it and take it for writing. I don't think you will even see me in Khatron Ke Khiladi. I don't think I'm the adventure type, and I've come here to perform and act and not to be an adventure freak.
So you have a lot of phobias?
No, it's not about phobias. I just feel I'm an actor. I'm not really here to prove anything, any kind of, I'm not here to wrestle or to do anything. I'm a performer. That's what I enjoy.
How are you unwinding yourself in your free time?
There is no time to unwind, at least for these 2 months. I'm totally overworked, exhausted, and I'm really hoping that this all pays off.
Lastly, if you could describe Entertainment Ki Raat in 3 words, how would you?
Entertainment Ki Raat आपको 3 चीज़ें देगा. Entertainment.
Lastly, any message for all your fans and readers of Telechakkar?
All the fans and readers of Telechakkar, I would just say that thank you for all the love and appreciation that you've given me. I really hope that I get the same kind of love and appreciation and support in my second stint as an anchor. I'm really looking forward to get feedback from you. Thank you. Hi, this is Soumya Tandon and you're watching me on telechakkar.com. Do subscribe to the channel.